Hi guys, please like and subscribe my channel. And today I'm going to talk about another SPAC that just going to a definite agreement. VIH is going to a definite agreement with another digital asset company named BAKKT, BAKKT. They just announced the definite agreement, just recently. Okay, and let's look into it and see what happened on the technical analysis standpoint. And they announced it somewhere around January the 7th, and then it shot up to almost $19 and double topped it right here. And then double topped it at like $19 and pulls back to 14-ish. And then still consolidating right here at the 14 level. I guess last week it closed at 14.42. So let's see if it's going to dip a little bit more or not. But at this level, I would think that I would get a small position in here, and then later on, if drop a little bit more, then I would go ahead and add some more. The reason that I want to, explain to you guys why this digital assets is one of the, trendy sector right now, because you see Bitcoin's going up, you see all those e-commerce having that digital, cash wallet and digital wallets, and right now in the future that we're gonna look for is, we're not gonna have money anymore. We're gonna have everything in digital. Okay, guys, we have all your assets gonna be in digital. This is the new age that we're looking at. Okay, guys. So looking at this technical standpoint, we at a good position that we're gonna able to start small positions on on 14 or even below 14s, because you see like the after the announcement it popped to 20, usually that it cools off and then it's gonna go, it's gonna slightly come back up later on once the merger is getting closer. Okay, guys. And guys, please like and subscribe my channel. I'm gonna dive into the investor presentation with you right now, and to see why the digital assets and cryptos and all those digital currency is one of the main trend that you want to get into, because you want to jump into the EV trends right now. You want to jump into the digital asset crypto trend, which is one of the things that you want to be into. And clean energy is also another one too. So you guys need to be in a trendy sector, so that way that you can catch the the skyrocket. It's the limit for this type of stocks and sectors. Okay, let's take a look at the investor presentation. Okay, let's take a look at the website first. So they offer digital wallet, they offer crypto trading, they offer gift cards, and they offer all sorts of stuff that that the digital asset company would offer. Okay, let's dive into the investor presentation real quick. So all those managements have pretty good precise experience from pretty much all the from Citibank and from Chase. So they have a lot of like from PayPal, they have a lot of financial services experience. And their valuations at $2.1 billion, enterprise, value. And majority the the company is owned by ICE right now. Okay, so I think 70-80% of the company is owned by ICE right now. Okay. Let's go to the main points why I think that this company that you guys should definitely keep eyes on. Okay, so I just talking about they mainly in like digital currencies and and cryptocurrencies and stock and derivatives. You look at the whole overall market, that's how they grow on the currency, on the cryptocurrency, on the digital assets, side of, the whole market is going up, growing at like 26, percent of, compound annual growth rate on the whole market they're talking about. Okay, so there's still a lot of room to grow in the whole market. So the company, pretty new, right? They the formations on like 2018. So pretty, it's a pretty new startup. Okay. So they're comparing with like Robinhood's and Cash app, Coinbase, you know, a Strip. So those are, pretty big size of company. Like they are like 12 billion, Robinhood and Strips, they are like 36 billion, Coinbase 8 billion. So you're looking at this company is only starting at like $2 billion valuation. So they still have a lot of room to be one of those big guys. Okay. You know, they comparing their competitors, Robinhood, Coinbase, and PayPal, and all those guys, Square. So you see all they have is like derivative assets and gift card rewards, travel redeem, like redemptions, crypto wallet. They have pretty much everything they have, and then all the competitors, they might have some of the, they might have some of the product and they might not, but this is all the product they have. Okay, they have a variety of digital assets products. So they have partnership with Starbucks, Citigroup. Okay, all those big names like Clovers and Best Buy and all and Apples and all that big companies. Let's dive into the financial real quick. Okay, so for a digital assets company, you want to see the active user that they have, right? They have about you know they estimated about 30 plus million active user, and they estimated to grow 36% on their active users. Okay, and on the total revenue, they are estimated somewhere around 500 something millions. Okay, so they grow at 75% on their revenue less the transaction base expense. The EBITDA is 55% growth. You look at the comparison of the active users, from them compared to like Robinhood's and Cash App, they are way above Robinhood. So that's good. So the year over year growth on the revenue base. The 2020 it looks good. 241%. The 2023 500 55%. 2024 23%. And I want to see this number a little bit higher, 2025, but it's 15%. I want to see, what's the reason why it's 15%? Maybe they start growing after 3 years, and 4 years really slowed down. But this is a little bit more concern to me that why on the 2025 is slowed down to 15%. But the first 3 years, we are looking at a very, very good growth. Okay. Yeah, 2.7 billion dollar valuation. So they compare their growth compared to their competitions. They have 75% growth, and then PayPal have 18, Square have 29. So they are pretty low compared to like a pretty brand new startup, right? 75% growth, which is reasonable. So over here, just talking about their enterprise valuations. Okay. So as you guys see, you know, what do you guys think about this company? I personally think that at this price right now at 14 would be good to if pull back a little bit more would be good to enter a small position to to test the water. But I definitely keep an eye on it. And this, like I say, digital assets is one of the sector that you want to be invest into for the future, because you see like Bitcoin's going crazy, like everybody's jumping into Bitcoin right now. So it's just one of the things that when Bitcoin blow up and everybody just want to get into cryptocurrencies or digital assets type of stocks right now. Okay, but in my opinion, it's just whenever you see digital assets, digital currencies, something that you wanna dive into it and look at the valuation. This one right here is just pretty new company, and it's still a lot of risk into it, but high risk, high reward type of spec that you look into, and it's brand new spec that just announced the definite agreements. Definitely take a look at it, and and let me know what's your thought on it. And I thought it's pretty interesting spec that to look at, and because I don't have anything invest in, into the long term for digital assets, this might be the first position, small position that might enter into, in my portfolio. But, like I say, manage your risk, and, I'm not a financial advisor, but this is, but this is one of the, the spec I found is pretty interesting, to look at or to put in your portfolio. And hey guys, please like and subscribe my channel, and I will put more, valuations, or more information about the next hot spec or hot investments that, that I think is, that I would like to share with you guys. Right, please like and subscribe my channel. Hey guys, thanks a lot, man.